Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: server name, database, and login method. Once ready, open Excel and go to Data right arrow, get data right arrow from database, right arrow from SQL Server database. Enter the server and optional database. Choose Windows or database authentication depending on your environment. Click Advanced only if you need a native query or port. Make sure to enable privacy levels when prompted so Power Query can access the source. Once you select a table or paste a native SQL statement, click Transform Data to open Power Query. Here you clean and shape, remove unnecessary columns, filter rows, change data types, and split or merge columns. Do this to reduce data transfer and speed refreshes. If you need joins, use merge queries. For aggregations, group by. After shaping, use close and load to decide whether to load a table, pivot table, or create a connection-only query that you can reference later in the workbook. To finish, configure refresh behavior so your sheet stays current. Right-click the query, open properties, and set scheduled or unopen refresh. Make sure to optimize by pushing heavy work to the server with optimized SQL and limiting returned rows. This prevents slow client-side processing. If you hit errors, first verify credentials and firewall rules, then confirm the server name and port. If a native query is blocked, try using a view or grant permissions. Finally, test a manual refresh to confirm the end-to-end flow works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.